In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly uninstall Google Drive from your desktop while ensuring that your files remain secure in the cloud. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to locate your start menu. This might seem basic, but it's always good to start at the very beginning to avoid any surprises later on. The start menu is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen, marked by the Windows logo. Once you've opened the Start menu, you're going to look for the Settings icon, which is often represented by a little gear symbol. Clicking on this will take you to your computer's settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, your next step will be to navigate over to the section titled Apps. This section is essentially a comprehensive list of all the applications that you have installed on your computer. It's where you can see everything that's taking up space on your system. Once you're in the apps menu, you might be faced with a long list of programs, so find the option for installed apps, or sometimes it might be called apps and features, depending on the version or system you're using. Either way, this option will allow you to see the apps you're currently using. With the list of installed applications open in front of you, you'll need to scroll down until you find Google Drive. The apps are typically ordered alphabetically, so this should make finding Google Drive a bit easier, but take your time to ensure you're choosing the correct app, as you don't want to accidentally uninstall something else. Upon locating Google Drive in this list, click on it. Here you will see an option to uninstall the application. Don't worry. Clicking uninstall does not mean you're going to lose all your files. Your data is safely stored in Google Drive's cloud storage, which is the beauty of using cloud-based applications. After you click uninstall, you'll typically receive a prompt asking for confirmation. This step is an added security measure to make sure you really want to remove the application from your system. Go ahead and confirm your action. The uninstallation process should only take a few moments, depending on your computer's speed, and once it's completed, Google Drive will no longer be taking up space on your desktop. It's as easy as that, and there you have it. You've successfully uninstalled Google Drive from your computer. Remember, while the application is removed, all your precious files are still safely stored in the cloud, easily accessible whenever you need them. If you ever want to reinstall Google Drive, you can simply follow the reverse process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was clear and helpful for you.